To change the spark plugs on your Sportsman 450, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, ensure it is in park, set the parking brake, and remove the key. Unlatch the front storage compartment straps and open the compartment. Next, remove the black negative battery cable fastener first to prevent arcing, and set the cable aside. Reinstalling the fasteners into the post will help prevent misplacement. Next, lift up on the rear of the seat and pull back to remove. Then, remove the 2 pushpin rivets from the left side panel. Grasp the rear of the side panel and pull back to disengage from the retainers and remove from the vehicle. Allow the engine and exhaust to cool completely before continuing to avoid the risk of burns. Next, reach in through the right wheel well and around the exhaust system to reach the spark plug. Continue by cleaning the area around the spark plug to prevent debris from falling into the engine. Then, carefully lift up to remove the spark plug boot from the plug. Continue by carefully removing the spark plug for inspection. Inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup. The spark plug should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion. Also, inspect and adjust the spark plug gap if needed. If necessary, replace with the recommended spark plug. Refer to your owner's manual for the recommended plugs. Next, install the spark plug into the engine and torque to specification. Then, reinstall the spark plug boot and ensure it is fully seated. Next, align the retention tabs on the side panel and pivot it into place. Then, reinstall the pushpin rivets to secure the panel. Next, reinstall the seat by aligning the front retaining tabs and pushing down in the rear. Then, move to the front of the vehicle and reinstall the negative battery cable to the battery. Torque the cable to specification. Then, close the front storage compartment and secure the 2 straps. Finally, start the engine to ensure proper operation. When the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.